Hi, I'm Chris, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use Exalt. So this is a firming neck gel, and it's also known as a nip and a tuck in a jar. So this is going to help to soften the appearance of wrinkles, smooth out any crepey skin, and help to lock in moisture in the neck area. So you're going to use it on your skin after your cleansing routine, so you can do this morning and evening. And I'm just going to show you how much or how little you need. And we're just going to pop it on the back of a hand, because what we're also going to do is hydrate the skin on the backs of our hands as well. So you pop it like this, and then we're going to do this. So we're lifting the skin and hydrating the skin on the backs of our hands as well as on our neck at the same time. Okay, so if you'd like to buy this or any other Temple Spa product, then just click on the link in the description below the video.